Hi friends, welcome to the Next.js series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to increase and decrease the quantity of the item. So in the previous tutorial, we had seen how to disable this particular add to cart once we have added. So once the particular item is added, I have to disable. So if I want to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, I have to make a function and I have to call it. So for that, we have a button. So I have two button in this particular cart item which I have displayed right here. So in this I have to call the function. So here I have a handle increase quantity. In this I will be getting the item, that particular cart item ID, and also I will be getting the stock. So here it will call this function, this item underscore id, I take it as a product id. This is a product stock, so which I have given here. This will be calling this use contact and cart context. So here I have a cart context and cart context which will be in the cart context. So here I have a cart context. So here I have written this increase quantity and the decrease quantity. So before going to that, we have to have this add to cart. We have previously discussed about how to add to cart. So in this we have, so once I have added this particular product, this will be added in this particular cart. So here we have to mention the property called quantity. The default quantity will be 1. Once I have added the one, any of the item in the cart, that quantity should be 1 default. By default, we should give this quantity 1. So then only we can increase or decrease the quantity. So that you have to give quantity 1. So here I have a function called increase quantity. That two items, this two argument will be coming here. So I have a function. This function I have to check two condition. So here, whatever in the cart, whatever I'm just clicking, that item should be equal to this cart item. If it is equal, I have to check the condition item dot quantity should be less than the product stock. So here you can see, if I have this particular product in the cart, so default, whenever I have added in the cart, my default quantity value will be 1. So here I have another product, you can take this product. So here the quantity will be 1. So you can take this as an example. So if I increase quantity, my quantity will be 6. Whatever, if I click one another time, my quantity is 7, right? So for that, we have to check with the condition, it should be less than the product stock. The product stock is 75. If it is above 75, my quantity should not increase. So if I increase, my product should not, the quantity should not go beyond 75. So I'm just clicking. So here I'm just clicking the 75. If I click it, it's not displaying above 70 75. So if I decrease, my decrease function should not go beyond 1. So -1, -2, and all, it should not go. So if I click this, so for that we have to write a condition. That's why I'm telling this. So here, so I'm just decreasing. So here my cart value is 1. If I decrease, -1, -2 should not come. So here, this quantity should be less than the product quantity. Then all the item will be written, and the quantity should be item dot quantity plus 1. Here you can see, if I increase this particular quantity, so my quantity is 3, right? So item dot quantity plus this quantity will be this quantity. So item dot quantity plus 1. So decrease, for the decrease function is similar to the increase, but so this item dot, so the product id will be coming. So this is equal to the this particular product id, and the item dot quantity is should be greater than 1. So if it is less than -1 or -2 should not come. So that way we have to check this particular condition, we have to give this. So once we have given, my quantity should get decreased. So this is all about decreasing this particular item, and we have to set in the local storage, so that it is updated in the local storage. So that here I have to give a get item. So once I have setted this particular item, it is displayed right here using this get item. So thank you all of you. This is all about the increase and decrease in the quantity of the particular item.